Assalamu दोस्तों, I am Dr. Sikandar Ali and you are watching my channel सिकंदर सर्जिकल वर्ल्ड। दोस्तों काफ़ी सारे मेरे जूनियर्स ने अभी मैसेज किए कि सर बेसिक सर्जिकल स्किल्स पे वीडियोस बनाएं। तो उन मैसेजेस को रिस्पॉन्ड करते हुए मैं बेसिक सर्जिकल स्किल्स पे वीडियोस शुरू कर रहा हूँ। और सबसे पहले जो जो डिमांड हुई है कि रीफ नॉट 100 एंड 200 रीफ नॉट पे वीडियोस बनाएं डिटेल में। तो थ्योरी किसी और टाइम पढ़ेंगे। आज मैं आपको सिखाता हूँ कि रीफ नॉट कैसे लगाई जाती है 100 और 200। तो सपोज गाइस दिस इज एन ओपन वुंड, ओके, एंड दिस इज थ्रेड। वन इज ए लॉन्ग लिम्ब, second is a short limb, okay. So suppose this is open wound, I have passed needle. Now I have two limbs, short limb, long limb on my side and short limb on opposite side, okay. So you can take reef knot with index finger and middle finger, okay. The principle is that if short limb is away from your side, start the reef knot with index finger, and if short limb is from your side, start the knot with middle finger. So this is short limb, this is from the far side away from me, so I will start from the index finger. First of all, I hold this short limb in my three fingers, okay. Now in second step I will rotate it on thumb and index finger, okay. Now I will straighten the long limb, okay. Then in the next move I will move the index finger to take this short limb and take it out from the opposite side with my index finger, okay. Now I will cross it at 180 degree in the opposite directions. So this was on away from me, I will bring on my side, okay. This is the actual direction. Now you can see that short limb is on my side and long limb is far away. This is the long limb is the needle side, okay. So now short limb is on my side, so I will take another knot with the middle finger. For the middle finger, the principle is that hold the short limb in your thumb and index finger. Initially, you hold it with the three fingers when you were trying to apply the knot with the index finger, okay. Now I have holded it in index and thumb finger. Now I rotate it on, cross it on the three fingers. Look, okay. Now I will cross the long limb in opposite direction on these three fingers. I will move now the middle finger to take the short limb, okay. Initially I was taking it with the index finger, now I am taking it with the middle finger, okay. I holded it between the index, middle and ring finger, okay. Now I took it from the opposite side. Now short limb was on my side, I will cross it at 180 degree in the opposite direction, okay. So this is typical formation of the reef knot or square knot or Hercules knot also called. Thank you.